Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be making slime. Finally we've made it, haven't we?
Yes, finally we have.
So this is my slime.
That was our practice.
Let me show you. Let me just lay it down there. And you can get bubbles in it. You can do all sorts with it and you can squeeze it. Sorry if you didn't see that. No.
Today we're only going to make one type of slime.
Well, yeah, but what we're going to do is we're going to make one each. And yeah, so you're going to need, you'll need something to mix in.
We've got these plastic bowls.
We'll just use something to mix with.
We've got some wooden sticks.
But instead of using that side, we use that side. We need, if you want to use glitter, you've got your
bag of glitter,
and I'll show you that.
Looky dip.
Look at the glitter. Oh gosh, can you get that for me?
Yes.
Oh,
There you go.
you will need your PVA glues. Even that one. We don't need that one. Oh, put on that one. You can use your guys. You can use your paint if you want to use paint. We've got your air wick, and you need your washing detergent. So what you're going to do first is you're going to put your glue in. So let's put our glue in. Your glue in.
We don't know how big this will make it, but we're perfect. It's going to be quite small.
I love emptying glue like out of the tub.
So amazing. It's so weird.
So, I've got two, so it doesn't matter. Right, anyway. Who's adding glitter? Because I don't think I'm going to add.
I'm not going to add glitter for this round.
You are?
Am I? I like glitter for this round. Look at it. Go with this one. Oh, purple.
Pick one more out.
Blue.
You wanted purple, didn't you?
Yeah.
So this is us going to put the purple in hers. Do you want to put in your blue?
Yeah.
Open it.
Yeah, please.
She's scared to open it and get it everywhere.
Yeah, once I did it at school, it went everywhere.
Oh, well done.
Okay.
Do you want to start to make yours?
Yes, I will.
Open yours now. Right, now you need an adult for this, because if you breathe this in, it can be really out.
Mine is looking like a bit of a weird colour, but it doesn't really matter.
So what you're going to do is you're going to add it, hold your breath, and then run another breath, because you're not allowed to breathe it in, otherwise it can damage your lungs.
Okay guys, we're back. Have 3 deep breaths once you've left the room.
Okay, the smell has gone. Oh gosh, we did it once and it already comes together.
Yeah, that's what mine's turning out like.
You be careful, you're getting it everywhere.
Glittery.
And it turns out quite watery, but that is a good sign. So mine is really coming together. So
mine's just like a big lump.
Two.
Thank you, Emily. You have to continuously stir it or it'll go all manky like our last ones.
We use 2 detergents for this. We use Almat, non-bio, and we use...
Oh, I think I'll be able to handle mine now. Not very sticky, I feel. Not very sticky.
Not too much. So you have to add 2, your Almat and another one. And they just bring it all together and make it less sticky. Guys, go and check out our video that we're going to be doing later. We're going to be doing a vlog, aren't we?
Yeah.
And it's just going to be a quick, well, not a quick, but it's going to be a vlog. It's going to be really fun. Okay, guys, so this is what ours turned out like. So this is my one.
My slime doesn't turn out very good.
This one's my one.
Yeah, mine isn't very good. It's sticking to me.
And it's 7. Oh no, I'm not touching that.
Yeah.
So Eva's didn't turn out, so that was a fail, but mine was good ones.
The odd thing was I had glitter in mine.
Yes, you did.
You didn't. So now we found an experiment, but never put glitter on it. If you're trying to make this slime,
I would not recommend to put glitter in it.
don't.
But we're going to be making some more slimes later, and we're going to be making crunchy and everything slime. So this is mine. Hey guys, like and subscribe and comment down below what slimes you want us to do. Bye!